Hi, so we camped out here last night. We were supposed to go to another state forest, but we made it to Brandon T. There was no spot in that one. This is in New Jersey, about 3 hours away from where I live. This Brandon T. Barren State Forest has nice campgrounds, a very flat area, very big campgrounds, also bathrooms, of course, and everything. So it's a full facility for campground. But what they also have is motorized trail or 4x4 trail, over 50 miles of them that you can go over. So that's what we're trying to explore right now. The Lebanon Trail seems to be more than 50 miles. That is basically this orange track. So it goes all around. This is where we are. This is the camping area. And so we need to just find the entrance, enter this orange trail, and take the whole loop. It's supposed to be about 50 miles. I think it'll be fun. So I'm gonna go to the office, get another, they have another map just for the roads. And grab that and then hit the trail. So here's where we camped out last night. Originally we wanted to come down here because they seem to have a lot of forest roads and 4x4 trails. They have it here also, about 15, 20, almost 50 miles, that's what they're saying, but they're not as interesting. So they, in the office, they suggested to come here to these pine state forests. So right now we're in this area and we're exploring it. I think it's pretty cool. You know, any stock vehicle can come 4x4. Yeah, right now, I mean, they have a little area here. It's a very sort of lake. You can camp out. Not camp out, but day picnic area, have your lunch and go back to your camp spot. But yeah, really beautiful. So we'll go ahead and explore this area. Perhaps maybe today, find a spot to have lunch. This spot does seem a little crowded. And then maybe tomorrow can explore the off-road trails over here. Never thought that New Jersey will have these kind of trails, which is good for a day. If you come for a couple of days here and explore the trails, go back to your camp spot. Just found this little offshoot. It's a nice spot to kind of camp out here. And then Here's the way into the water.